Are you looking for creative ways to regularly get new clients into your salon and to grow your business? Introducing Jewel Trunks, a modern and designer jewelry collection for women. Jewel Trunks partners with local business owners to host jewelry trunk shows at beauty salons around the country, and we want to partner with you. Our trunk shows offer a unique, fun, and social fashion experience for not only your current clients, but a chance to grow your business by getting new customers into your salon. We'll have your salon buzzing with excitement. The Jewel Trunks team travels around the world to individually select each piece of jewelry in our collection. We focus on quality, the latest trends in fashion, and offer exclusive designs for every occasion at the best prices. Our salon partners love working with us. We form valuable, long-term relationships and host events every 2 to 3 months. We're committed to helping you grow your business. By encouraging your current clients to bring their family and friends, each trunk show brings new customers through your doors. And since we can host anytime, each trunk show is an opportunity to increase business during slow hours and drive traffic into the salon when you need it most. You can offer salon specials or new client discounts. You have complete creative control. You'll also love our revenue share model. As a salon partner, you'll receive 15% of all trunk show sales and up to 20% online. So, how does it work? It's easy. Say Sally's salon wants to host a jewelry trunk show with Jewel Trunks. First, Sally contacts our team to set up a convenient date and time. Remember, we host trunk shows 7 days a week. Next, and with details set, the Jewel Trunks team will create custom, co-branded marketing materials with your salon name and logo to promote your trunk show. Place these where clients are most likely to see them, get excited about your event, and spread the news. On the day of the event, you don't have to worry about a thing. We've got everything taken care of to make sure the trunk show goes off without a hitch. And setup is easy. We can set up anywhere. We'll work with you to make sure we don't get in the way of conducting salon business. We know it's your #1 priority. Our trunk shows last anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, after which we encourage the women to continue the fun with a new cut, style, or beauty treatment. We want each show to grow your business and ours. Jewel Trunks and beauty salons are a natural beauty fit. We both want to help our customers feel great about themselves and give them a unique form of expression and style. And they'll love the opportunity to shop for designer jewelry while getting pampered. Ready to see how Jewel Trunks can grow your business? We want to partner with you. Email us at trunkshow@jeweltrunks.com for more details, and let's chat.
Created using Powtoon.